Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of iPhones and explore the evolution from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. Get ready to witness the remarkable changes in these two incredible devices, so let's get started. Let's begin with the display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a stunning OLED Super Retina XDR display, providing you with vibrant colors and crisp details. But hold on tight, because the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes it up a notch with an even more immersive ProMotion display, featuring a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Your visual experience will never be the same again. Moving on to the camera department. The iPhone 14 Pro Max already delivered exceptional photography capabilities with its advanced triple camera system. But brace yourselves for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which introduces an astounding quad camera setup. Now you can capture every moment in even greater detail, with improved low-light performance and groundbreaking advancements in computational photography. Next, let's talk about performance. The iPhone 14 Pro Max was already a powerhouse with its A15 Bionic chip, delivering unrivaled speed and efficiency. But guess what? The iPhone 15 Pro Max raises the bar once again, introducing the phenomenal A16 Bionic chip. Brace yourself for lightning-fast performance, enhanced AI capabilities, and improved energy efficiency. It's a beast that won't let you down. Now, let's focus on the battery life. The iPhone 14 Pro Max offered impressive battery performance, ensuring you never run out of juice during your busy day. But with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can enjoy even longer battery life, thanks to innovative advancements in battery technology. Less charging, more doing. Lastly, let's not forget about the design. The iPhone 14 Pro Max had a sleek and stylish look that was loved by many, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max takes it a step further with a refined design that's both premium and ergonomic. It's a device that not only looks good but also feels great in your hand, adding a touch of elegance to your everyday life. And there you have it, the incredible evolution from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to the stunning iPhone 15 Pro Max. These devices are a testament to the continuous innovation and dedication of Apple. Which iPhone would you choose? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this comparison and gained insights into the remarkable differences between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.